Okay, Miss Delholm here. This is the tutorial video for multiplying and dividing fractions. Okay, so when we are multiplying and dividing fractions, we do not need a common denominator. So here we go. 5, 6 times 3. This one is like the last one on the front of your homework. Okay, so we're going to put a 1 underneath the whole number. Multiply straight across. 5 times 3 equals 15. And then 6 times 1 equals 6. So you have 15 over 6. That's an improper. And I know it's going off the camera, so improper. So if it's improper, that means I do top in, bottom out. So top goes inside, bottom goes outside. Okay, so if you need to make a chart for the 6's, I can do one over here real quick. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to have to use 2 because I need to get as close to 15 as I can without going over. So 6 times 2 is 12, and I subtract it. 15 minus 12, 5 minus 2 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So now I make my check, 2 to 3 to 6. So we start here. So 2 is my whole number, and 3 over 6. 2 and 3 over 6. Okay, and that's your answer over there. But I still have one more step. So there's one more thing I can do. This numerator is not 1, so I need to check and see if I can simplify. Now you should know that 3 can be divided by itself and that 6 can also be divided by 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 both times. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. We always need to get smaller. 6 divided by 3 is 2 because 2 times 3 equals 6. So my final answer for 5, 6 times 3, because remember we added the 1 over the whole number. 5, 6 times 3, 15 over 6 is equal to 2 and 1/2. Okay, and that's all you do for multiplication of fractions. If I am dividing, I'm going to get another board. If I am dividing, we do something called keep, change, flip, or KFC, keep, flip, change. You can do it in either order. So if I have 5 times 1/4, this is going to become 5 over 1. And you keep it. Oh, sorry, this was supposed to be division because I already did a, what do you call it, multiplication example. This was supposed to be division. Okay, so when I rewrite it, I keep it. So for division, you should always have 2 equations, the division and the multiplication. You flip always the second fraction. So it was 1 over 4, now it's 4 over 1. And then change this to multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. And yes, this is an improper, but think about it. I don't really need to typo because if I typo, it'll look like this. We should know that 1 goes into 20. This means division. 1 goes into 20, okay, or 20 divided by 1 is top in, bottom out, 20 divided by 1, okay? Anything divided by 1 is itself, so 20. 4 divided by 1 is 4, 5 divided by 1 is 5. So our final answer is 20. Okay, 1 times 20 equals 20. So you really don't have to typo for ones like this, because if it's a 1 on the bottom, then all you need is the whole number as your final answer, if the 1 is on the bottom. If this is my answer, then I do need to keep the 1 because that's a true fraction. This is a whole number because 20 divided by 1 equals 20. 20 divided by 1 equals 20. 1 times 20 equals 20, so 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay, the whole number is on top, that's all you need. This, though, is an actual fraction. was not the answer this time, but if it is, that's an actual fraction. Okay. Bob says, make sure you're giving thanks, that you are grateful for all of the blessings in your life. And that's it.